Today I'm going to show you one of the coolest apps that lets you play PC games directly on your phone without needing a powerful computer. This app is called Chikii Cloud Game and it's changing the way people experience gaming on mobile devices. Imagine playing high-end PC games like GTA or other popular titles anytime and anywhere using just your smartphone. Chikii works using cloud gaming technology, which means the game runs on powerful servers and gets streamed to your phone in real time, so you don't need to download large files or worry about storage space. One of the best features of this app is instant access. You just open the app, choose a game and start playing immediately without installation. The app also includes a huge library of games from platforms like Steam and Epic Games, and new games are added regularly. Another interesting feature is the coin system, where you can earn coins by watching ads and use them to play games or skip waiting queues. There's also a VIP subscription that gives you better performance, faster access, and more gaming time. You can even play multiplayer games with your friends and enjoy a full gaming experience just like on a real PC. However, keep in mind that since this is cloud gaming, your internet connection plays a big role, so you will need a stable and fast connection for the best experience. Overall, Chikii is a great solution for gamers who don't have a powerful PC but still want to enjoy high-quality games on mobile. If you love gaming and want to try something new, this app is definitely worth checking out.